Tired of using harsh chemicals for cleaning? Today, we'll share 20 DIY eco-friendly cleaning solutions using everyday household items like vinegar, baking soda, and lemon. Let's get started. All-purpose cleaner. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Use this solution to clean countertops, glass surfaces, and more. Glass cleaner. Combine 1 part white vinegar, 1 part water, and a few drops of dish soap in a spray bottle. Spray onto glass surfaces and wipe with a microfiber cloth for a streak-free shine. Grease remover. Mix 1 part white vinegar, 1 part water, and 1 part lemon juice. Apply to greasy surfaces. Let sit for a few minutes, then wipe away with a damp cloth. Oven cleaner. Make a paste of baking soda and water. Apply to the oven's interior. Let sit overnight, then scrub and wipe clean with a damp cloth. Drain cleaner. Pour 1 cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by 1 cup of white vinegar. Wait 15 minutes, then flush with hot water. Tile and grout cleaner. Mix 1 part water, 1 part white vinegar, and 1 part lemon juice. Apply to tiles and grout, scrub with a brush, then rinse with water. Toilet cleaner. Pour 1 cup of white vinegar into the toilet bowl. Let sit for 15 minutes, then scrub and flush. Carpet stain remover. Mix equal parts water and white vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray onto the stain. Let sit for 10 minutes, then blot with a clean cloth. Wood polish. Combine 1 cup of olive oil and half a cup of lemon juice. Apply to wood surfaces with a soft cloth, then buff to a shine. Fabric softener. Add half cup of white vinegar to the final rinse cycle to soften fabrics and remove detergent residue. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to a cleaner, greener home. Thank you for watching our video. If you found these DIY cleaning solutions helpful, please give us a thumbs up. See you in the next video.